Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your settings on Twitter to see sensitive content. But before we proceed, don't forget to give this video a like, and if you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more tutorials from this channel. Now, without further ado, let's proceed to the tutorial. So, what are sensitive contents? So, these are contents on Twitter that shows violence, nudity, and other stuff related to that topic. So, Twitter has settings to disable that kind of contents and do not show it to your Twitter timeline. But if you're now on your legal age and you can handle sensitive contents, there is a setting to turn it on. Now, let's open the app. So now we're here in our Twitter timeline. I can't see any sensitive contents because I turned it off. So now what you're gonna do is go to your profile picture at the top left corner, click it, and then scroll down, click settings and support, then settings and privacy, and then you need to look for privacy and safety. Next is click content you see under your Twitter activity. Click it, and then as you can see, display media that may contain sensitive content. Enable it. And here in search settings, you need to disable hide sensitive content. And just like that, you can now see sensitive contents on your Twitter timeline. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.